Hello everyone, I'm Panroje from CSP. Welcome to another video about the CSP SR series battery chargers. CSP has recently introduced the SR series chargers designed specifically for the maintaining the batteries of building power generators. It is used in standby generators where the battery needs to be constantly charged for backup power purposes. I'll be discussing the features and function of the SR series battery charger. The building power generator requires a battery to provide the necessary start of power. And once it's up and running, the generator will create its own electricity power to provide electricity to connected system and components. Batteries are so important to generator operation that the battery is often the first thing a service technician will check when a generator fails. The CSP SR series battery chargers are so much useful in this situation to ensure the battery used in generator is always fully charged and ready anytime when it needed start of power. These series are available in various ranges required for the maintenance of the battery, such as 12 volt, 24 volt, 36 volt and 48 volt with charging capacity of 6, 10, 15 and 20 amperes. The purpose of this series is to ensure that the generator's battery stays fully charged and ready for use whenever needed. It provides a steady flow of power to the battery, filling the charge lost during the generator's operation or any cell discharge over time. This helps to extend the lifespan of the battery and ensures that the generator will start when required. This is essential for the maintenance, providing a maintenance-free solution so that the battery remains in well condition. This series battery chargers are always standing, ensuring a trickle charger is available to the battery at all times. These series are capable of charging the batteries as low as 2 voltage, where the other charger doesn't work when the voltage is low. The main features and functions of CSP SR series battery chargers can be used with safety and reliability. Number 1. Intelligent charging technology. These series are equipped with single and double analog meter system that automatically adjust the charging current and voltage according to the condition of the battery to monitor the real-time battery condition or battery charging status. Number 2. Multiple protection functions. This series comes with multiple protection features such as overvoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, overheating and reverse polarity protection, preventing accidents during the charging process and ensuring safety charging. Number 3. High efficiency charging. This series can fully charge the battery in short time. Number 4. Durable design. This series casing is well ventilated and it has heat and shock resistant. Number 5. Strong compatibility. It is compatible with various types of batteries, including lead-acid batteries and maintenance-free batteries that is suitable for different models and brands of generators. Number 7. Automatic maintenance mode. After the battery is fully charged, the charger automatically switches to a maintenance floating charge mode, maintaining the battery at its best charge state while reducing self-discharge. So it helps extending the battery's life. This series has 2 major modes, equal charge mode and float charge mode. And number 8. Silent operation. This series designed with a silent design. During the charging process, it does not generate noise. Number 9. LED indicator. This series is come with a clear LED indicator which allow users easily to check the charging progress and device status. blinking indicator determine the process of charge or fully charged. Number 10. Universal voltage compatibility. Importantly, this series has 110 and 220 AC input switch mode, making it suitable for use in different regions that uses either 110 or 220 AC power, including turn on off switch. These features and functions of the SR series chargers provide a stable and safe charging process that allow users to use the generator with confidence without worrying about equipment failure or other safety hazards caused by battery issues. Overall, CSP SR series battery chargers plays a vital role in maintaining the reliability and performance of the generator by keeping its battery in well condition. The CSP SR series battery chargers are the best for this role. If you have any questions about SR series, please contact us through email, WhatsApp or any through other social media platforms. See you soon.